with another vlog. And looks like we're gonna get somewhat of some daytime content for you guys. And a little bit of holding myself accountable, you guys. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I haven't worked out in months. And I'm about to head over here to Muscle Factory and get this membership. And I'm gonna start getting back on my workout grind starting tomorrow. So I'm about to head over here, do that. Stop at the store and the dispensary on the way back. And then from there, I'm probably gonna meet up with my girl and her friend. We're all gonna go to Central Mall. I'm gonna show you guys that and do some fun stuff, man. Something I haven't done in a long time. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I'm over here sweating already. But behind me is Muscle Factory. Got a membership for a month, 2,290 baht, so roughly about 60 bucks. My shorty and her friend, they already headed to Central's. And I got my ride on the way. I was gonna stop at the dispensary, but I don't got time to do that now because I don't want them waiting on me. So my ride's pulling up. So we're about to head over there. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and head to the back entrance. Oh man, I hope I don't get hit with the copyright strike. They over here playing Tupac in the background. Oh, okay. Don't figure out how the hell. Pretty sure the shit is at the top. She just hit me up and said she's in the basement. Show you guys the vibes. I've only been in this mall once, and when I did, it was for a short time. It was when I was dating the other girl, and she we were coming from that rooftop spot. It's connected to this mall. It's on top of the Hilton. Horizon, yeah, that's the name of it. And it's connected to this mall. And this mall is pretty big. Like I said, you guys, I never really walked through here before, so I figured kill two birds with one stone. Kind of show you guys what this looks like. Because even me and myself, I'm still kind of discovering all this myself. To be honest with you guys, I really don't shop a whole lot, to be honest with you. I don't know, but in the future, I don't know, maybe later on this year when I go back home for the holidays and come back out, maybe I'll pack less and try to buy more shit here, but I don't really care for it. This is level 1. Yeah, because as you can see, it goes up pretty high. Try to get you guys a little bit of eye candy while I can. Trying to see if they got like a directory so that way I know exactly where to go. Oh, okay, they got a new area here. Okay. Hey, they got Adidas. That's some nice shit. Alright, you guys, so we're we're on the 4th floor going to the 5th floor. I noticed as you get to the 4th, when you get to the 5th and 6th floor, it looks like it's a bunch of restaurants too. Cause I just walked past a directory on my way up to the 5th floor. Yeah, a lot of restaurants. I'll tell you what, man. You're looking to meet women, man, you might want to consider coming to the mall too. Find the escalator. Oh, okay, it's over here. Found it. That's the other escalator. It's the other escalator right there. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, just getting to this damn boy. That right there, boy. Alright, this is the last floor here. Should be able to find this shit. Again, show you guys my surroundings. Hold on, wait a damn minute. Am I reading that right? They got Sizzler up here? Oh no, I gotta check this out. Hell no. Hold. Oh, that's where we going right there. But I gotta see this shit. Hold on. What the fuck? Ain't no fucking way y'all got a damn Sizzler out here, bro. You gotta be kidding me, bruh. I don't think it's like the old school Sizzler, but I might fuck around and try that shit just for shits and giggles, man. What the fuck? As soon as I saw that, I had to stop and check that out. But we up here, man. I'm just waiting on her. Alright, you guys, so I kind of got tricked, man, because they got a cinema up here too. So you got SF Bowl and then you got SF Cinema. You're gonna see that. And you want to go up this escalator here. And right behind that, they got the bowling alley over here once you get up here. So you got the cinema over here, and then you got the bowling alley right there. I wonder if this is like luxury like the one that I went to in Bangkok a couple years ago. But yeah. So I just kind of sit up here and wait on her, I guess. Well, this is what it looks like. And that's the entrance to the bowling alley. So I'm gonna just wait on her and then we're gonna head on in here. She go with her friends taking all day and shit. Alright you guys, so standard lane is 180 baht. So that's about $5-6 a game, give or take. And if you need to rent shoes, that's 50 baht, so that's like $1 and some change. Just to give y'all an idea of how much things cost around here. But they got a VIP area too, so I don't know, y'all might want to check that out too. Y'all can see that first frame. You can definitely tell I had to take the rust off in that first frame, but yeah, y'all see what it's looking like after that first frame though. Yeah, let's go. Just get my groove back. I haven't bowled in years, y'all. Years. Oh, good roll, good roll. Oh, okay then. Good ball. And not too bad for somebody that hasn't bowled in years, but I'm used to bowling like 190, 200 and up. I actually bowled a perfect game before. I'm not used to this. Plus, I'm not used to using house balls because I got my own balls at home. But yeah, bro. No, we just having fun though. Bro, I don't like all them open frames. That shit ugly as hell, bro. I mean, I'm talking easy spares too. That's how I can tell I ain't bowled in a long ass time, man. Especially like when you're not used to bowling with house balls. It's my turn again. Trying to see if I can get 2 strikes in a row. That's horrible for me. I'm gonna let y'all know right. I'm used to seeing like 190 or higher. That's how you can tell I ain't bowled in a long time, along with using these house balls. I know she ain't about to. Oh hell nah.
I want one more.
Yeah, you got one more since you picked that up. Yeah, you get one more throw. As a matter of fact, I think you might break 100 if you get a strike. If you can get a strike, I think you break 100. I gotta admit, man, she ain't doing too bad for a beginner, man. This is her first time bowling, y'all. Oh! I want to see what she get. Oh, 89. That ain't too bad though for your first time. That's pretty good. Just to put y'all on game, man. They got like a little arcade area down here too, on this side and then on that side also. Yeah, man. Central Mall is a vibe, man. It's a lot going on here. I'm like, maybe I need to come here a little bit more often, especially with the bowling alley and seeing how, god damn, how trash I done got at bowling, man. That's my first time bowling in years. I can't even tell you the last time I did it. It definitely showed. I think I would have bowled a little bit better if I had my own balls with me, but you know, because house balls are so unpredictable. But I don't know, considering those were house balls and I still managed to basically average out to about $140, that right there lets you know, like, man, if I was using my own personal balls, you know, maybe it was like a little bit more consistent, probably would have ended up bowling a lot better. But you know, it is what it is. It's just all in fun. She actually did pretty good considering that was her first time bowling. That last game, she almost broke 100. You know, a lot of people that I know that are beginners, they don't even bowl that high. So that's what's up. I stopped at Muscle Factory before I came here. So I bought a membership for 1 month. I will be going there starting tomorrow. I gotta get back in shape again. I gotta get strong again. I done lost too much strength. To be honest with you, I feel like I done lost a little bit of size too. To be honest with you. Yeah. Told y'all she always tickling me. Always stay tickling me, man. Oh, so that's how y'all got upstairs. Yeah, I didn't go this way. Yeah, I didn't go this way because I didn't know where the elevator was at. I was just taking it. I just kept taking escalators all the way to the top. Oh shit, they got a Nike shop over here. Oh shit. Damn, them shirts look dope. Hey, babe, hold on real quick. Damn, these tough. I like those. Those are dope. Yeah, I gotta come back here. Ooh, that reminds me. Before we go, is there anywhere that sells towels, bath towels? Babe, is there anywhere in here that sells bath towels? Ooh, the market across the street probably got them for cheaper anyway, don't they?
What is that?
Towels, like towels that you shower in. Yeah, because that's something that I forgot to pack with me, you guys. I meant to pack like an extra set of towels with me, like on some just in case shit. Because when you booking with these, when you book with mostly Airbnbs like me, like they ain't always good about making sure you got towels, bro. And you know what I mean? I want to be more conscious of that. And I'm like, dude, I promised myself I was gonna pack towels before I left and came out here, and I forgot to do that shit again. So yeah, I need to find somewhere where I can buy some bath towels at. Like this, and creeping and I'm creeping and I'm creeping. Cause my people kept beeping. Hey, I want to eat some crocodile, boy. Why? Huh? I think I'm gonna call Grab. That's gonna be what. She's in the room already. I just wanted to stop because I need to get this as well as stop at the dispensary and get some more greenery, which obviously I can't show you because YouTube is sensitive as hell. But I wanted to go ahead and close this vlog out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And until next time, deuces.